to What a Good Idea to Microwave This. I'm Joey Corn, and today we're going to be cooking Hot Pockets. The Joey Corn Laboratory, we have our kitchen, and of course our refrigerator, because nobody likes roasted nuts. Hot Pocket. We got the delicious Hot Pocket. We're going to put it in Jackie, our fridge. How long do you think we should put it on for? For 30 seconds? Okay, so we're going to put it on for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay. Watch it spin round and round. Oh my god, look at that deliciousness. Oh, it's so melty and juicy. Stuff like that. Oh my god, it's so delectable. I would eat that. No, I wouldn't. Yeah, it would. Progress. Oh my god. Oh my god! Look at that. Clean that up later. Try it out. Not bad. Conclusion. Is it a good idea to microwave a Hot Pocket? The answer is no, it is not a good idea to cook a Hot Pocket. Well, that's it for Is it a good idea to microwave this? I'm your host, Joey Corn.